Hello Friendos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have a 2 Luxe 1 palette day ahead of us, and you guessed which palette we're going to be doing. The Banana Fetish palette. And what I really like about this palette, guys, it's not a real banana. It's not a real banana. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay. Look, this is gonna be my snack. Here, take it. All right, Friendos, well, now that that's over, hopefully we can get into this palette in peace. Guys, just stay tuned. For the 2 looks from this video, I'm trying to think about colors that I didn't use in my initial Jeffree Star Banana Fetish palette video. So we'll start out with How Do You Feel? I'm using my Sonia G Classic Crease. And this one is going to be really simple. Basically, I just want to test out Never Bitter on the eyes because that one was quite the showstopper in the swatches that I did. So I really want to see what that looks like. Now on my crappy Anastasia brush, I'm going in with the shade Hammock. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with Sunday Service. This is on my Sonia G Mini Booster. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Pinky Ring and also Don't Choke. So I'm just going to do a 1-to-1 ratio here. I'm going in with my Natasha Denona number 11. I'm using my mini booster just to clean things up here. Okay, Friendos, now the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to check out Never Bitter. And I'm starting out with my Natasha Denona number 1. So let's try it sprayed. Already it looks gorgeous, but you know, we have to test the intensity. Oh wow, that absolutely took it up a notch. This is so pretty, but what I will say, I feel like this reminds me a lot of Voodoo Glass. So this one's a little bit more opaque, but I'm gonna swatch this for you guys. So there we go, Never Bitter and Voodoo Glass right here. They're extremely similar. My sister just pointed out the Voodoo Glass has a little bit more of a green shift, whereas this one has more of a gold. Also, this one does look a little bit more liquid, where this one looks more like crushed metal. Just worth noting. And for my inner corner highlight today, I'm going to go in with Vitamin P. Again, we're going to try out the same thing. So that's with no spray. It's decent, it's pretty, but let's kick it up to level 9000. I like that. All right, I'm gonna go do my other eye off camera, line lash, and be right back to you guys. Y'all just stay tuned. And Friendos, I know that felt like an eternity, but it was really just a few minutes. So now let's finish up the look with some Jaclyn Love Language for my blush. I'm really hoping that she launches more colors soon, not later, soon, of this blush because I absolutely love it. There's not that many colors to pick from right now. And I went way too heavy on this, so I'm going, my sister's laughing at me. I'm going to go over that with some powder in just a moment. All right, now for lips. I guess I shall go in with A Little Tamed from MAC Powder Kiss. And I've been reaching for this a lot on my channel. It's because I am so dehydrated, and this does a really good job of hiding chapped lips. And I should have lined before, but I didn't, so we'll go ahead and do that now. I'm going in with ColourPop Dopey. And friendos, this concludes our first look from our 2 Luxe 1 palette of Banana Fetish. In just a moment, I'll be right back to you guys and we'll start a brand new look. Friendos, just stay tuned. So friendos, today I'm going to start out with my E05. We're going into the shade Pinky Ring, the bright magenta shade in the palette. I'm just going to be creating my border for this look. And I will be blending this all out a lot better in a few minutes. I just want to get the color down for right now. Then on my Sonia G Classic Crease Brush, we'll go in with the blue shade Bulge. This is really just a test at how well the more unique shades in the palette blend together and what we can do with those shades. So right now I'm just placing and building, not really blending out. Now on the same brush, I'm going to go in with Banana Fetish. Now on a Sephora crease brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Cream Pie. This one. Now I'm going to go and start blending all of these together a little bit more and building up pigmentation once again. So I'm going to be real with you guys. I thought these were going to meld together a little bit easier than what they're doing on my eye. I'm not saying it can't be done, but it is a bit of work to get them to blend together. So for right now, I'm just going to spend the time, put in the time, and build up and get the look that I want. Or at least try to. We'll see. Going to switch up my brushes a little bit and keep building. So Bulge once again. Now going in with Cream Pie. So the Periwinkle Blue shade, I'm going to tell you guys, it's a very strong shade. And what I mean by that is whatever you put it over, it kind of overtakes whatever you're doing. It doesn't really blend with whatever you're working with. Like I was hoping that the yellow and the blue would come together and form more of a green color, but it's really just not happening. But that's why we keep on building. I'm going to use a curved flat definer and dip into Pinky Ring and go over under here. It will all come together when I line. I know right now it probably looks freaky. Then using that same brush, I'm going to go in to Vitamin P, the sparkly golden shade. I'm going to spray my brush and then that's going to go in the center. So let's go in with my eyeliner from House Laboratories, favorite eyeliner of all time. Now I'm going in with my Hourglass Voyeur waterproof gel eyeliner. This is gonna go in my waterline and my tight line. And now with that done, friendos, I'm gonna go in with my mascara and place some false lashes down. And I'll be right back to you guys. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I am back. What do we think of this look? Very editorial, right? So what I do want to share with you guys is that the blue shade, it blends out very nice. It goes on very pigmented, doesn't meld well with other colors in the palette, it doesn't seem. But you guys know, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just a weirdo who likes to play in her collection. So, you know, maybe there's something that I didn't do right, but I really struggled with that. It took a long time to get this look. But now that it's on, I mean, I really like it. I think it's really cool. It just took a hot minute to get it done. Okay, so let's finish today's look up. I think, let's see. I'm going to go in with my Sicilian Notes Baked Blush in Igati Wine. This is from Kiko Milano. It's a nice bright pink. Gonna go in kind of light-handed because she's pigmented. So next I'm gonna go in with Travis. This is from Makeup by Mario. And now Christmas Cookie. And friendos, I guess I shall call it there. Since the monkeys took my snack, I'm really hungry and I'm gonna go get myself something to eat. As always, thank you so much for clicking on my video and spending your time here with me. It really does mean the world to me. Let me know in the comment section down below if you purchased this palette or if you plan to. Also, let me know what you think of this like more wild look. I know I normally don't do something so crazy on my channel. Let me know if you have any tips for blending out that blue shade if you purchase the palette. I wish you all a phenomenal rest of your day. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Alright guys, have a fantastic day. Bye.